Hello students, a very good morning to you. Today we will discuss last year question paper of 2019. So let us start. So in computer application, you are having a question paper of 100 marks. 40 marks is of section A and 60 marks is of section B. And all the questions are compulsory from section A. And from section B, you have to attempt only 4 questions out of 6 questions. So let us start with question number 1. Name any 2 basic principles of object-oriented programming. There are many basic principles of object-oriented programming like data abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, but you need to write names of only 2. Next is, what is the difference between unary and binary operator? So the difference between the unary and the binary operator is a unary operator which is applied with a single operand, and in case of the binary operator, and is an operator which is applied on 2 operands. So example of the unary operator is plus plus, minus minus, etc. And example is divide, modulus, plus, minus. All these are the examples of binary operator. So next question number C is, name the keyword which indicates the method has no return type. The keyword which doesn't have any return type is a void. And name the keyword which makes the variable as a class variable. So the variable name is, the keyword is static keyword which makes the class variable. Now question number D is, write the memory capacity or the storage size of the short and the float data type in bytes. So short it is having 2 bytes, okay, and float it is having 4 bytes. 2 bytes 16 bits, 4 bytes 32 bits. Next question number E, identify and name the following tokens. First one is public. So public is a keyword. Single quote A is a literal. Double equals to is a operator, and this curly braces or parenthesis is known as a separator. Next student, question number 2. Question number 2, first question, differentiate between if, else, if and switch case statement. So here is the difference. If, else, if statement get executed depending upon the output of the expression inside if or else statement. Or in case of the switch case, statement gets executed depending on the input by the user. Here in if else if case, it evaluates integers, characters, pointers, floating point or boolean type. In case of switch, it evaluates only the characters or integral value. There are the many differences between both of them, but you need to attempt only 2. Next question number B, give the output of the following code. String P equals to 20, Q equals to 19. Both P and Q are of type string. So int A, integer dot parse int P, int B, integer dot value of Q, system dot out println A plus B, and there is no space between A and B. So here in case of A, we are having value of P, that is 20. In case of B, we are having value of Q, so that is 90. Here we have to take the P's value as integer, and here we have to take the value of Q, so it will give us output 2019. Next question number C is, what are the various types of errors in Java? So the various types of errors in Java are syntax error, runtime error and logical error. These are the 3 types of errors in Java. Next question number D is, state the data type and value of RES after the following is executed. So the value is char, means character CS equals to 9. RES is a variable name which gives us the output in the form of character dot is digit CS. So the output here is, here the data type is boolean, okay, and the value is true, because it is checking is it digit or not. So it is true or false, and true or false is always in case of the boolean, so it is true. Data type is boolean and result is true. Next question is, give the difference between the linear search and the binary search technique. So here is the difference. In case of the linear search, it works for both the sorted and the unsorted data items. Binary search, it only works on the sorted data items, that is ascending and descending. In case of the linear search, the search begins at the start of an array, that is from the 0 position, and the array is divided into the values, and then the derived data item is searched in either case. So there are the many differences again in both of them, and you need to write only 2 because it is of 2 marks. Next, question number 3. First question A. Write a Java expression for the following, and the expression in modulus expression is x square plus 2xy. So its output will be like this. Modulus means it gives the absolute value, non-negative value. So for this we have to take math.abs. X square means x into x. You can also use power function over here. This will be in the bracket, and then we will use plus because here plus is given. Then 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y. So this will be your expression. Next, question number B is write the return data type of the following function. What will be the return data type? Start with and random. The return data type of start with is boolean, and the return data type of random is double. Next, question number C is if the value of a basic equals to 1500, value of basic is given as 1500, what will be the value of the text after the following statement is executed? So the text equals to basic greater than 1200, question mark 200, colon 100. So this is a ternary operator. We are using a ternary operator. So here we will check basic is greater than 1200. Yes, of course, because basic is 1500. So it is greater than 1200. So the condition is true. If the condition is true, it will return as 1200. If the condition is false, it will return after the value of colon, that is 100. So here the condition is true. So it will return as 200. Next question is, give the output of the following code and mention how many times the loop will execute. So int I, for I equals to 5, I greater than equals to 1, I minus minus. Then if I modulus 2 equals to 1, then continue and then print I. So here two questions are there, means we have to print the output as well as the number of times. So here the number of time is 5 because the value of I is 5 and it started decrementing. So the output will be 5, number of times means 5, and I modulus 2 equals to 1. Only 4 and 2 are two numbers which when divided by 2 doesn't get 1. So here we have 4, 2 and the number of time it will repeat is 5. Next, question number E. State a difference between call by value and call by reference. Look at the difference carefully. In call by value, sends actual argument to the formal parameters, and call by reference sends a reference, that means the address of the actual argument to the formal parameters. Any change made in the formal parameter does not reflect on the actual argument, but in case of the call by reference, any change made in the formal parameter gets reflected on the actual argument. There are the many differences among them, but we need to write only 2. Next, question number F is, give the output of the following: math.sqrt, math.max 9 and 16. First of all, it will solve the inner bracket. Inner bracket, it is having the function max. So maximum value between 9 and 16 is, obviously, it is 16. And then we have to evaluate the square root of 16 is 4. 4.0 is because it always taken the floating case. So we have given it as a value of 4.0. Next, question number G is, write the output of the following: string S1 equals to Phoenix, string S2 equals to island. Then system.out.println S1.substring 0 concat with S2.substring 2. First output will be substring 0 means S1 means it starts from P only, and entire substring means Phoenix will be taken as whole. And in case of substring 2, it will start from 2. Here I is 0, S is 1 and L is 2 means it will start from L to complete land. So it is first output will be Phoenix land without any space. Next is system.out.println S2 dot to uppercase. S2 is island and we have to convert it into the uppercase, so the output will be island. Is that clear? Next question number H is evaluate the following expression if the value of x equals to 2, y equals to 3 and z equals to 1. And the expression is v equals to x plus minus minus z plus y plus 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 y. So look at the expression carefully. We have this expression given with us. First of all, x we have taken as simple. The value of x is 2. Here we will write 2. Then minus minus z means firstly it will decrease the value and then we will use. The value of v is 1 and when we decrease it, it will become 0. Then plus y. Plus y means simply the value of y is 3 plus 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 y. After writing the value, because it is postfix not prefix, it will increase the value when it goes to the next variable. Then here it is, we will take 3 and after then it value incremented to the 4. So the next y will be 4 and when the whole will be added, 2 plus 0 plus 3 plus 4, we will get the output as 9. Next question number I is string x equals to artificial intelligence, then IoT, then machine learning, then big data. Here this is a array having 4 variables 0, 1, 2, 3 having 4 items in it 0, 1, 2, 3 and we have to give the output. First is give the output of the following statement system.out.println x3. Here the third item of x is big data. So it will give us the output of big data. System.out.println x.length. Number of items is 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the length is 4. Next question number J is what is meant by a package? Give example. So here the package means, what do you mean by the package in Java? Package in Java is a collection of classes. There are the two types of the packages we are having, built-in packages or the user-defined packages. And the example of the built-in packages java.language package, math, etc. So you have to write only 1 or 2 examples. This was about your section A of last year question paper. So please better read this question paper carefully and try to solve your question paper by yourself. Having any doubt, you can message me or call me anytime. So thank you very much.